Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today we're going to describe about zero article. What is zero article? The zero article refer to the absence of an article like a, and the before a noun. It is used when no article is needed. This occurs in specific case in English grammar. Let's we describe where we use zero article mean we don't use an article in sentence in first case with proper noun. With proper noun we don't use an article. For example, I met John yesterday. John is noun in the sentence. We don't use an article in this sentence, and this called zero article. Next example, she lived in India. And one more example here, he speak French fluently. In next case, with uncountable and plural noun, when speaking generally, we don't use an article and we call it zero article. For example, water is essential for life. And one more example, books are important for learning. And in other case, with meals, days, and month, we don't use an article. For example, we had lunch at 1 p.m. Another example, Monday is the first day of the week. And other example, one more here, January is the cold month in India. In next case, in academic subjects and sports, we don't use an article. For example, he studies math and physics. And one more example, they play cricket every evening. In next case, for certain places, we don't use an article. For example, she goes to school every day. And one more example, he is in garden. And one more example, they are in hospital. Hopefully you understand about zero article, what is zero article and where to use in the sentence. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.